I wish I didn't have to clean the garage. What did I do wrong anyway? It feels like I'm being punished.
Work is not punishment, especially when you have the right attitude. Do you grumble and complain when you have to do your chores? My name is Zach, and this is Keys for Kids. If you're frustrated with doing work around the house, it might be because you're doing it for the wrong reason. When the Apostle Paul wrote his letter to the Colossians, he reminded them about having a good attitude. He said, "Whatever you do, do it from the heart, as something done for the Lord and not for people." That's what our story's about today. It's called The Joy of Work. "I'm out of here." Micah dunked an old cleaning rag in the trash can and ran into the house. Calvin looked around at his half of the garage, then at the other half that had been Micah's responsibility to clean. What a difference! He knew Micah had worked a lot harder than he had. Now Micah was finished and could go to the ball game. Calvin scowled. He hated cleaning the garage. By the time Calvin finished, the game had been going on for an hour. "I'm done," he called to his mother as he entered the house. "Will you take me to school so I can see the rest of the game?" "No, Calvin. You should have been ready when I took Micah. I'm cooking dinner now." Calvin sighed. "What are you making?" "Chicken tacos and lemon garlic potatoes," Mom replied. "Yum!" Calvin's mouth watered as he thought about biting into a taco. "You make the best food. You must love to cook." Mom shrugged. "Not always. It can be hard, messy work sometimes, but I do it because I want to provide you and Micah and Dad with healthy food that you enjoy." Calvin was surprised. "I sure wouldn't do all that work if I didn't have to." "Calvin," Mom said, "did you know that work is part of God's loving plan for us?" "No," Calvin muttered. "I kind of figured work was more like God's way of punishing us." Mom shook her head. "Work is a good thing. The first thing God did after he created Adam and Eve was give them work to do. It was the curse of sin that made work difficult. But that doesn't mean we can't find joy and satisfaction in our work." "How do we do that?" asked Calvin. "By remembering that God has done the most important work of all. Jesus saved us by dying for our sins, and God is working in our lives to make us more like Him, and that means the work we do is important. He uses it to help us learn and grow and show others who He is." "He does?" Calvin smiled. "I guess work isn't so bad after all." "I'm glad to hear you say that." Mom handed him a bowl. "Because I could really use some help peeling potatoes." How about you then? Do you hate work? Do you complain about it or avoid doing it? God created work to be a good thing, but when sin entered the world, work became difficult. The good news is that because Jesus did the most difficult work of all, dying for our sins, we can find joy in our work. Even when you have to do things that seem boring or unimportant, do them for Jesus, knowing He'll use your efforts for good. Our key verse is found in Colossians 3:23.
"Whatever you do, do it from the heart, as something done for the Lord and not for people."
And our key thought for today, find joy in work. If you have teen brothers or sisters, ask them to check out the Unlocked Teen Devotional app. It's available right now to help teens learn more about God. Search your app store for Keys for Kids Unlocked and look for the blue key, or go to unlocked.org for a direct link to the app. As always, I'm Zach, and as always, I'm glad you joined me today on Keys for Kids. We'll see you next time.